Hello, friends, and welcome back to KPL Fun for Kids. We are happy you have come to visit. Today's fun adventure will be, can you guess? That's right, the brain. We will cover lots of fun facts about our amazing brain and its functions. Are you ready to learn more about your amazing brain? All right then, let's go. The brain. Let us talk about our amazing brain. In today's lesson, we will cover parietal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, spinal cord, temporal lobe, frontal lobe, and more fun facts about our brain. First up is the parietal lobe, which is the middle part of the brain. The parietal lobe helps a person identify objects. Let's go a bit deeper on this one. The parietal lobe is near the top of your brain. It helps you understand and feel touch, like when you hold a toy or pet a dog. It also helps you know where parts of your body are and how they're moving. That is awesome, right? Let's keep going. Next up, we have occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is the back part of the brain that is involved with vision. The occipital lobe is at the back of your brain. It helps you see and process everything your eyes look at. It's like the brain's own TV screen that shows you the world around you. Wow, is that amazing or what? Let's keep going. It gets even better. Next up, we have cerebellum. The cerebellum plays a role in motor movement regulation and balance control. The cerebellum is smaller and sits at the back of your brain. It helps you balance and coordinate your movements so you can walk, run, and play without falling over. Wow, I don't know about you, but I am learning a lot about my amazing brain. Want to keep going? Okay, let's go. Up next, we have spinal cord. The spinal cord's main purpose is to carry nerve signals throughout our body. The spinal cord is like a long, thick rope that runs from your brain down your back. It carries messages between your brain and the rest of your body, telling your muscles what to do and bringing back information about what you're touching and feeling. I don't know about you, but I am feeling my muscles strong now. Okay, what's up next? We have temporal lobe. Temporal lobes are involved in short-term memory, speech, musical rhythm, and some degree of smell recognition. The temporal lobe is on the sides of your brain, near your ears. It helps you hear and understand sounds, like music and voices. It's also important for remembering things, like what you had for breakfast or your favorite story. Music? I love music. Do you love music too? All right, I knew you did. Okay, team, what do we have up next? Drum roll, please. We have frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is at the front of your brain. It helps you make decisions, solve problems, and plan ahead. It's also important for controlling your movements and speaking. So, we have now covered a lot about our brain. And now let us see some extra fun facts about our brain. The brain is always busy. Even when you're sleeping, your brain is working hard. It helps you dream and makes sure your body keeps working properly. Your brain grows with you. When you were born, your brain was small, but it grows as you learn new things. It's why you can do more and more as you get older. The brain loves healthy food. Eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and fish can help your brain stay strong and work better. It loves nutritious food to fuel all its activities. The brain enjoys exercise. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Playing outside, running, and even dancing can make your brain happy and healthy. The brain is made of billions of neurons. Your brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons send and receive messages, making up the brain's communication system. Protect your brain with your skull. Your brain is very important, so it's protected by a hard shell called your skull. It's like a helmet that keeps your brain safe. This has been so much fun. I had a great time learning about the brain with you. Remember, keep being a kid. Learn, play, and enjoy being you. Till next